I don't have your abundant energy.
Not the slipper!
No, I'm putting you down in that hole that I was in before. I'm not going to do it, actually. Instead, I'm going to bury him under pillows.
Ryan, let the child breathe.
He's okay.
Wait, he's quiet.
Ryan, stop it! God, don't do that. Wait, that one.
Yeah, I think he's breathing.
Okay. Well, we just got rid of one of them now. Come on, let's just
Ryan.
Look, I'm just defending myself.
But you're egging them on and they're kicking around presents now. So calm down a little bit.
Bad lady! I'm
All right, we have been scolded now. Now
Hey, Gracie. No.
let's sit down like gentlemen.
The only person you can hit with slippers is Uncle Ryan.
Uh-oh, this
That's
came out
right.
something. I wonder what this came up with.
Oh, boy.
All right, now we have to sit down like gentlemen.
See,
Hey,
now
see
we
that
got
one?
tags
Yeah,
on the
Mystery
front for Sean
package.
And
and
now
Gracie.
it's completely screwed
Oh.
up. So we don't know which one's the
I've ruined it.
Well,
You ruined it.
Calm down a little bit.
Great!